Hi guys! ఈ రోజు నేను మన కొంపల్లిలో Cascade అనే రెస్టారెంట్కి వచ్చాను. So Cascade is a pan-Asian restaurant. It is a family restaurant which has the best cuisine when it comes to everything from Chinese, Japanese and everything pan-Asian. So I'm here so excited to try it. Let's go! So Cascade is the only branch in Hyderabad. It is in Kompally above Croma. It's also there on Swiggy and Zomato in case you guys want to order from home. Hi, can we have a table?
Yeah.
So as you can see, the ambience itself gives you all the pan-Asian vibes that you need. It gives such an aesthetic vibe once you enter. So I can't wait to try their food as well. So I have here the top favorites in Cascade. So I can't wait to dig in. They all look so yummy. So I think I'm going to start off with the water chestnut. So water chestnut is basically aquatic vegetable. Telugulo em antaru teliyadu gaani it's an aquatic vegetable, that much I can tell you. And it's one of my favorite vegetarian dishes after lotus stem and mushroom. So I'm going to try it out now. Cheers guys. That is so crunchy, so juicy. I think it's honey chili water chestnut. It tastes so good. I think it's probably my favorite water chestnut dish now. Really good. So next I'm having the crackling spinach, right? Lovely. It does sound crackling. Oh wow. I think if kids would know that spinach can be made in this way, andarki chala easy undachu. Kids do not like spinach at all, and if they could try out this way, I'm sure they would love it. I'm sure you must be getting a lot of requirements for kids for this. So guys, if you're ever in Cascade and your kids are not eating spinach or your greens, I think the crackling spinach మీ కిడ్స్కి కంపల్సరీగా ట్రై చేయండి. ఇట్స్ రియలీ గుడ్. Oh my god, it's so good. It has sugar in it, right?
Yeah,
Sugar and chili flakes, guys. It's really good. Who knew spinach could be this fun? Okay, I think I'm going to try the chicken bao next. I'm just going to pick it up from here. Oh my god, it's so filling. Okay, I'm going to dig in now. Oh wow. I know I'm not supposed to eat and talk at the same time, but this is so good, you guys. Wow. I think I dropped sagam kinda padesanu. The bun is so sweet. The chicken is juicy. Is it like a Korean chicken?
yes, a pepper roasted chicken.
Roasted pepper chicken. It goes perfectly with the bao. Guys, the baos is going to be anytime filling if you order it. It's so good, so good. What else bao would you like suggest for like a vegetarian maybe?
Yeah, vegetarian also have option that with cauliflower.
Cauliflower baos.
Cauliflower bao. That's
Okay.
the sweet one.
Sweetest. So anybody vegetarians out there, if you want to try bao, you should go for the cauliflower bao because the baos is already so filling. It's so good. I have to dig in another bite. The bao is wow. So good. So ఇప్పుడు బావ్లో మనకి పెప్పర్ చికెన్ విత్ సమ్ క్యాబేజ్ అండ్ సమ్ గ్రీన్స్ అండ్ ద బావ్ ఇస్ సో స్వీట్ ఆన్ టుగెదర్. ఇట్స్ హోల్డింగ్ ద హోల్ థింగ్ టుగెదర్ అండ్ ఐ థింక్ ఒక్కటి తినేసరికి ఫిల్లింగ్గా ఉంది బట్ ఇట్స్ సో గుడ్. I think bao is definitely one of the really good pan-Asian dishes that you can try. Okay, now for my favorite dish. I am a sushi lover. So it's either sushi ante me try cheyaledante definitely try cheyali. But me try చేయక ముందు you should always try for the veg sushi. ఎందుకంటే మీకు నచ్చితే వెజ్ నచ్చితే మిగతా sushi try చేయాలి, లేకపోతే you cannot enjoy it. Right now here I have prawn tempura sushi. Trust me guys, sushi is life. sushi is everything. It's a comfort food. It's amazing. It's delicious. And నేను చాప్స్టిక్స్తో తింటున్నానని అలానే తినాలని ప్రాపర్గా కాదు. You can eat it with your hand as well. So I'm going to just have my sushi for now with the chopstick. So cheers. Wow, that's so good. The rice has a crackling on top, is it?
No, the crunchy thing.
Okay, the top. So guys, you sushi not only with chopstick, you can eat with your hand as well. నేను మీకోసం చేత తింటున్నాను. It's the same way, not to worry. It's so good. It has rice, it has veggies, it has meat, and if you're a vegetarian, the veg sushi is nothing like veg sushi. Like, it's the best sushi you could ever have. But me personally, I enjoy the prawn sushi a lot. I don't prefer going for the wasabi much because it's a bit spicy for my taste. But sushi with some soy sauce, with my hand, comfort food. సో సూషీ అనేది ఇట్స్ అ జాపనీస్ డిష్. ఈ మధ్య హైదరాబాద్లో చాలా ప్లేసెస్లో దొరుకుతుంది. బట్ ఐ థింక్ మై ఫేవరెట్ వుడ్ బీ ఇన్ క్యాస్కేడ్ సో ఫార్. ద ప్రాన్ సూషీ అయితే చాలా బాగుంది. వెజ్ ఇంకా ఫిష్ కూడా. ఫిష్ సూషీ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ లిటిల్ రా. సో మీకు నచ్చిందంటే ఇక్కడ పక్కా ట్రై చేయాల్సింది. సో ఎవ్రీబడి హూ స్టే ఇన్ కొంపల్లి ఆర్ ఇన్ సికింద్రాబాద్ ఏరియా, you have to come to Cascade to try out the sushi here. It is really, really good. I mean, it's Pan Asian at its best right here. So yeah, you guys should definitely try it. Okay, now for the main course, I'm having some jasmine rice with some chicken red curry. Yes. I think white rice with any Thai curry is like a beautiful combination. Lovely. The rice itself smells so good.
Jasmine.
Jasmine, yeah. Oh wow. Lovely. Guys, if you could only smell in the video, like, it's brilliant. So Thai curry is basically made of coconut, right?
Coconut milk, yeah.
Coconut milk and
The
all
basil leaf, lemongrass.
basil leaves, yes, and all of your favorite vegetables, and there's also chicken in it. And usually I go for the green Thai curry, but I heard the red Thai curry here in Cascade is really amazing, so I'm going to try it out for you guys now. Oh, there's a lot of red chilies also. Wow, it smells so good. Oh wow. Oh wow. I think I'm going to shift from from team green to team red. This is amazing. I'm not even bragging, you guys. I don't think I'm going to stop eating this. It's so good. Okay, more than sushi, I think this is the comfort food that I needed for today. Amazing, amazing. I think overall, guys, everything here in Cascade, when they say Pan Asian, you get Pan Asian. I mean, you have bao, that is Chinese. You have sushi, that is from Japanese. It's a Japanese dish. And water chestnut is such a it's an underrated aquatic vegetable, I could say. It is so good. It's so tasty. You could like just eat the whole thing together. And kids enjoying spinach is like every parent's dream, and I'm sure your kids would enjoy the spinach. Like ఇంట్లో స్పినిచ్ తినాలంటే చాలా ఇరిటేట్ చేస్తారు, బట్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చి ఈ డిష్ ట్రై చేయండి, యూ విల్ లవ్ ఇట్. సో గుడ్. And to tie it all off with some really good Thai curry with rice, like I think Cascade is hitting all the right notes when it comes to Pan Asian cuisine. It's amazing, it's brilliant. You guys should definitely try it. So guys, ఇప్పుడు మనం అన్ని డిషెస్ అన్ని టేస్ట్ చేసేసాము. లెట్స్ గో టాక్ టు హెడ్ షెఫ్ అండ్ అతను ఇన్పుట్స్ కూడా విందాము. అతను ఏమైనా ఇన్సైట్స్ చెప్తే అబౌట్ the cuisine that is this amazing Pan Asian. Any ideas, anything, let's have a word with him. So guys, I'm here with the manager Gopal and the head chef Deependra here of Cascade. So I just wanted to ask them about their experience here in Cascade. How's it going so far?
Yeah, ma'am, it's like great experience.
Yeah.
It's going good.
The place has been open from how long?
Here in Hyderabad is from 2019 it's open.
2019, okay. And like how's the response so far? Like how's the crowd? The family crowd is a lot, right?
Mostly coming by
Family
family only.
Yeah, yeah.
So we are doing online also, like Swiggy and Zomato also.
Okay. That's nice. And what is like the most asked for dish in Cascade when it comes to veg or non-veg? What do people love here?
Yeah, people are start liking that sushi.
Sushi, yeah.
Sushi and Thai curry and very
Of
famous.
course, yeah.
Even in the starter, we have this crackling spinach and not very good.
Very nice,
The
nice,
water
nice.
chestnut.
Okay.
Yeah. In
And-
Pao, momos, the dim sum was very good over there.
Oh, we didn't try the dim sum. Maybe next time we'll try the dim sum. But yeah, okay, that's nice, that's nice. And how else? Like, आपका favorite dish क्या है बनाने में?
मेरा फेवरेट डिश है वही सुशी है.
सुशी. अच्छा अच्छा. सुशी तो हैदराबाद में थोड़े साल से पहले ही स्टार्ट हुआ है. अभी कैस्केड में क्या है वो स्पेशल सुशी में?
सुशी पे बोलेगा तो प्रॉन टेम्पुरा है.
ओके.
प्रॉन टेम्पुरा और माकी.
हाँ, अभी ट्राई किया था, बहुत अच्छा है. और क्या है जो सबको पसंद सुशी?
सुशी बोलेगा तो अभी
Mostly
वही
सबसे-
फेमस वही अभी.
Oh, the prawn one. Okay, everybody's preferring the
So
prawn.
we have crunchy vegetable uramaki and the people will like very
Crunchy vegetable uramaki. That's nice. That's nice. Maybe we can try that next time. But thank you so much for having us today. We had a great time. Thank you. The sushi was really good. Sushi was really good.
Thank you.